Hi, welcome to my not very good video of 9 Appleton Street. 9 Appleton Street is a professionally managed condominium building located in the heart of Boston's South End. 9 Appleton Street is a very well taken care of condominium building. It's professionally managed. It is cleaned, I believe, almost daily. This unit is just steps away from the elevator. As we enter the unit, you can see that it's very spacious with plenty of room for living, sleeping, and an office area as well. And the kitchen is totally renovated too. There's also a very spacious walk-in closet with built-in shelving and an in-unit washer-dryer. We're now going to walk out back towards the door, and you will see there's a very nicely renovated bathroom as well.